Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this huge specification 2022 72 plate Defender 110 hardtop. This is the lovely van variant. It's the D250 all-wheel drive, finished in the lovely pure white paintwork. Specification on this car is superb and absolutely second to none. So we'll start externally. So we've got a nice little black package going, so the Defender lettering, that's all in the black. We've got front and rear parking sensors. We've got the factory option of the full 360 cameras as well. So we've got the camera in the front there, cameras just under the mirror caps and the back, giving you a bird's eye view in the nice centre screen. We're riding on upgrade alloy wheels. Those are the 19-inch 6 twin spokes. They're in fantastic order, riding on really nice tyres. We've got the nice sort of detailing all throughout the vehicle in the gloss black, so the mirror caps, all your window surrounds. We've got the roof bars on this one. We've got the alpine windows, privacy glass, addition of the side steps. That is a massive factory option. Side steps, mud flaps, it all adds together. Coming through to the back, we've got the spur wheel and the cover. Looking through to the rear, obviously being the hardtop, it is a van, so you've got loads of luggage space in the back. Very frugally used, so as you can tell, lovely slip resistance floors. They're in nice order. It's never seen any hard use. Now we've got storage all throughout the vehicle, so we've got a detachable tow bar which is just in there. We've got the 13-pin electrics which are just to the side there as well. Warning triangle, that's all there. Alpine windows, as I mentioned before. Factory bulkhead. And then obviously we've got the doors to the rear, so you've got side entry doors, nice bit of storage within there. You can get to that from the top as well. That follows all the way through to the other side. You've got the same sort of shelf at the back there. But bodywork wise, a lovely thing. You can tell it's truly been cherished. The gentleman who owned the vehicle was suited and booted, never been used for any hard work. And then inside, we've got the cloth sport seats. Now these are heated, so we've got the nice winter package on this one. Rubberized floor mats, that's another nice thing to have. But the specification on this thing is what sells it. So we've got park folding mirrors, we've got heated front seats, we've got a heated steering wheel, leather upholstered steering wheel, automatic lights, automatic wipers, lane departure warning. As we're doing the video today, the vehicle's only covered 9,431 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Then coming through to the centre screen, as you can tell, this is the larger HSE style screen. So pressing through, we've got a nice big satellite navigation there. Very responsive, very easy to follow. Full phone connectivity, obviously media, so you've got full DAB. We've got our weather information, slope assist, compass, wheel information, weight sensing, energy impact, so if you've got your air conditioning on, if you've got your heated steering wheel on, that will all pop up on there. But clicking through to the main menu, you've got everything on there. So we've got satellite navigation, accounts, seats, as I mentioned, they are heated front seats. Clicking through again, cameras, so flicking into reverse, full bird's eye view there, so we've got all the cameras from the top. Valet mode, Apple CarPlay, we've got towing and trailers, so you can actually add the trailers that you tow in there. Weight sensing, park and pay, weather information, Alexa, full phone connectivity, low traction launch through the four-wheel drive system. This is a very impressive car. We've got dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. USB Type-C, USB and a 12-volt power outlet, so all types of connectivity. We've got central cup holders, lots of storage in the centre there. glove box. Lovely, lovely looking vehicle. But the specification is what sells this car. So we've got the HSE upgrade screen, we've got full 360 cameras, we've got heated seats, we've got heated steering wheel, we've got mud flaps, we've got side steps, we've got roof bars, alpine windows, black package upgrade wheels, and the list goes on. So if you'd like anything further on the car, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.